guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie McQueen. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please consider hitting that subscribe button. I would love to have you. I am a stay-at-home mom / homeschooling mom of one. I also care a lot about health and I love making different cooking / health videos. So today's video will be how to make vanilla cheesecake fat bombs. These things are so delicious. I love them and my whole family loves them too. They are keto, and if you do eat keto, you know that fat bombs are pretty essential to survive throughout your day. Just for if you get hungry and you need a quick snack, these are really great, super easy to make, such a go-to. Just pull them out, eat them, and it's so easy and I love it. And today I'm going to have my big helper, my daughter Genesis. She just loves to help me make everything, but I'm not mad at it. She's gonna learn young, so then sooner or later I won't have to cook anything. She can just cook for mommy. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to give me some thumbs up, leave some comments below if you like fat bombs, if you like this recipe, if you have any other recipe ideas for me or anything like that. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. The ingredients you will need are 2 packages of cream cheese, vanilla extract, SWERVE, Kerry gold butter, as well as coconut oil, and a silicone mold.
Hey, I'm Genesis.
Hey girl, are you ready to make some fat bombs?
Yes.
Okay,